In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion, how to use AI to reformat pages without deleting content. Start by opening Notion and going to your main workspace dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and find the page you want to reformat. In this example, the page is called March Strategy Meeting. Click that page to open it, or if it's already visible in your workspace, just open it directly from there. Now that the page is open, head to the bottom right corner of the Notion window. You'll see the Notion AI icon, which looks like a small circular sparkle. Click that to open the AI panel. At the bottom of the AI panel, you'll see the chat input field. This is where you'll tell Notion exactly what you want it to do. Type this prompt carefully, reformat the content on @March strategy meeting to match the structure and style of @meeting notes template. Keep all existing text. Do not remove, summarize, or shorten any content. Use the same heading hierarchy, block types, and layout as the template. As you type the first page reference, beginning with the @ and then March strategy meeting, Notion will show a drop-down menu with matching pages. Make sure you click the correct page from that list instead of just leaving it as plain text. That matters because you want Notion AI to recognize the actual page you're referring to. Then do the same thing for the template reference. After typing the @ and then meeting notes template, wait for the drop-down to appear and select the template page from the list. Once both page references are properly linked inside the prompt, take a quick second to review what you typed. The key part here is that you are clearly telling Notion to preserve all of the existing content while only changing the structure and layout to match the template. When everything looks good, press Enter to send the prompt. Now give Notion AI a moment to process the request. Depending on the amount of content on the page, this can take a few seconds. While it's loading, just wait for the response to finish. You don't need to click away or do anything else during this part. Once the AI finishes, go back to the left sidebar and click on the March Strategy Meeting page again if needed, so you can review the updated result clearly. You should now see that the page has been reformatted to follow the same overall structure and style as the meeting notes template. Take a moment to check the page carefully. Look at the heading hierarchy first. Make sure the main headings and subheadings are arranged the way they are in the template. Then check the block types. For example, if the template uses callouts, toggles, bullet lists, numbered lists, or specific paragraph spacing, confirm that those kinds of formatting choices were applied to your page as well. After that, verify the layout. The goal is for the page to feel like it belongs to the same format as the template, but without losing any of the original information. So scroll through the full page and compare it against the original content, mentally or, if needed, against another copy of the page. Confirm that all the text is still there and that nothing has been deleted, shortened, or summarized. This review step is important because the whole point of this method is to reformat the page, not rewrite it. You want structure changes, not content loss. If everything looks right, then you're done. Your page should now be reformatted and saved inside your Notion workspace under your account, just like any normal page update. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, you can use the same approach on other pages too. Just open a different page, launch Notion AI, and swap in the page name and the template you want to follow. The prompt works especially well when you're trying to standardize meeting notes, project plans, internal docs, or any page that has useful content but messy formatting. The main thing to remember is to be specific in the prompt. Tell Notion AI to match the structure and style of a template, and clearly say that it must keep all existing text without removing or shortening anything. That one instruction helps prevent unwanted edits and keeps the result focused on formatting only. And that's it. You've successfully used AI in Notion to reformat a page without deleting the original content. Go ahead and try it on one of your own pages right now.